Sure thing.
Sure thing.
Sure thing, Bulldog.
Sure thing, Mrs. Mitchell.
Sure thing.
I'm gonna take some pictures.
Sure thing.
Matt, can I get that coffee to go?
Sure thing.
Dr. Custer, sorry, would you mind?
Sure thing.
My mom is here visiting. Can I bring her over to meet you?
Sure thing, Trigger. Sure thing.
Hot Wheels. I'll see you back here in the morning.
Sure thing, Lieutenant.
Gypsy wants you to go give him a look-see.
Yeah, sure thing.
Thank you, Paul.
Yeah, sure thing. Hey, give Joe my regards, all right?
I will.
Check the scrolls anyway, see if there's any precedents.
Sure thing, John.
Look, I told you what happened, okay? So just drop it.
Okay, sure thing, Luke. Sure thing.
Are you ready to get on the field, Shermanis?
Sure thing, Mr. Agamemnon.
Hey, you know, my friend would really dig your vibe. Will you wait here?
Sure thing, babe.
Good.
I don't like it. I hate going in blind. I'm gonna need my gun.
Sure thing, Slick.
Look after yourself.
Keep the gate open, will you?
Sure thing, buddy.
Step back.
Sure thing, Dad.
Good afternoon, ma'am. What can I fix you?
A pot of tea, if you please.
Sure thing.
That's your third traffic violation in less than 3 blocks. Slow it down, O'Connor.
Sure thing, Doc.